How's it going, guys? Boyna Scanner here, back with another video. Today's video is just going to be asking the community, the SDS100 users out there across the world, about a few things that I've been thinking about. So I've been actually working with a developer, and we've got the API for radio reference. I've had a lot of people asking me how to program from out of the countries of the United States and Canada, for instance. In Sentinel you have USA and Canadian frequencies, and I've had a lot of people outside of these countries asking for different tips and stuff to import frequencies, program, etc. Because what I'm hearing is you actually do have to manually program. So I've been working with a developer, and we've actually got the API for radio reference. We got the license and everything through radio reference, so we are connected through that. And what we are trying to do is develop a way to search from any country and pull in frequencies down to county and site and all that stuff. So my question to the community out there is, what are some of the features if you're outside of the United States and Canada? First off, some of the best features that would help you guys program Sentinel, for instance. So I'm not sure if there's anything out there like that right now, so if you could let me know in the comments. What we were thinking about doing is using the API to create a search so that you could just look up a country, whatever city or whatever frequencies you're looking for. You could input that information and then pull a list that you could just copy and paste into Sentinel. This would be very similar to digitalfrequencysearch.com, although we'd have frequencies, all the frequencies that are inside a radio reference, including all the countries as well. We can pull any country through radio references API, so this might be a valuable tool for you guys out there. So we're trying to develop this platform to use to help you guys program, and this might be useful for some of you guys inside of the United States too. I don't know, you'll have to let me know in the comments some of the features you'd like to see, if there was a way to pull frequencies or sort by counties or whatever your ideas are. But we are pulling data from radio reference, so it has to kind of be within that site's capabilities. And like I said, I know outside of the country, outside of the United States and Canada, there's been a lot of issues with people just having to program manually, which is I would assume very time consuming if you're trying to program a whole radio and trying to get a lot of frequencies in there to listen to. Luckily, the SDS100 is pretty smart, so it's pretty easy to just enter a frequency and start building a system from there with digital. Although I'd like to know from you guys if this is something that would be interesting to you, if it's something you guys could use, and again, if you're outside the US and Canada, what features would be useful. If you could just search up your state, your city, your country, and just pull a list of frequencies to copy and paste into Sentinel, would that even be something that would be valuable for you guys? Let me know in the comments. This is an open discussion. I have my developer that's going to be looking over kind of the comments as well. So we want to try to serve this community with something valuable. I didn't realize there was such a gap in knowledge for this scanner when I started. This channel I started because I really enjoyed this radio. This is a passion of mine. I've really been into radio since I was a small child, actually, and was really always nerding out on antennas and different radios and stuff like that. So I started this channel just because I found this cool radio that was a really interesting scanner that was very smart, easy to program, and kind of a fresh new start to the scanning world for me. So that's why I created this channel, and I'm realizing I've provided a lot of value for you guys, and I appreciate your viewership and your subscriptions and all that stuff, because I am getting a lot of positive feedback. So please go ahead, let me know in the comments some of those features that would be valuable for you guys, if this would even be something that would be interesting, or if it's worth my time messing around with. Let me know, and we'll go from there. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the weekend, if it's still the weekend for you, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Take care, guys.